Hi guys, so this video is about testing and reviewing the tires which I have newly installed for my bike motorcycle. They are 70-30 ratio tires, and the reason to change the tires is that they were worn. My previous 100% road tires were worn off. Now I needed to change the tires, so I opted for 70-30 ratio tires. And as you know, there are a lot of roads dug up in Goa, a lot of potholes in Goa, not in the straight highways, but in interior roads. So I decided to change the tires. Now to review the tires, first let us put some petrol in the bike and come back. Okay, so I usually put power petrol, but there was some power electricity work going on in this area. So the pump was running on backup power, and the power was not coming to power petrol station. So I opted for the normal petrol. I was explaining to him why there is no current. So I opted for the regular petrol, and yeah, 500 only. I was going nearby only. So myself, I do a lot of adventure and travel videos, not videos exactly, but now I'll be doing the videos. Yes, I've done my hiking, trekking and other related to adventure and travel sport travel videos. So let's check our tires, the review of the tires. So I'm not uh, mentioning any brand here. I'm just specifically for the ratio of 70-30 tires. 70 are road tires, tarmac tires, street tires, and 30% is for off-roading, gravel, dirt riding. So it's mixture of both. So first thing what I found was grip was excellent of the tires, and there you get more confidence while riding the bike. Second, or maybe other thing was that speed. I could not get good speed. Road tires, 100% road tires are better for speed. These tires are not for speed. Then braking was very good. Okay, I felt braking was very good on this. It stopped. And turning was excellent. There was some grip. I could feel safe while taking turns and all. So it was very good on turns, maneuvering the turns around. But when I came back, I checked the mileage. Mileage was bad. It reduced. It dropped down. So I don't know if I put the power petrol mileage be more or less, but regular petrol mileage is come down. And overall performance is good. Bike is stable. There is no vibration. You feel confidence while riding the bike. And yes, it's I think I've done a better choice. Now depending on your bike, you may take 70-30 or 50-50, whatever you want to buy, depending on your riding conditions. But if you want to know more about 70-30 tires, just check this video. I'll put the link up here somewhere, or down below. I'll link the video of the person who has nicely explained what are 70-30 tires. And yes, watch it. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for watching my video. I'll be putting more videos. Thanks a lot. Do try to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.